Good morning, children. Let us resume exercise 9.1, question number 6. Which of the following pairs represent the same rational numbers? Let us see question number 1 and 2. Start solution. That is, what is the question? Solution here, part 1, minus 7 upon 21 and 3 upon 9. Here, you have to find out which of the following pairs represent the same rational number. Same rational number means equivalent rational number, means whether their values are equal or not. Let us see, children. Here, see, minus 7 upon 21. Obviously, this is minus 7 upon 21 is a negative rational number, whereas 3 upon 9 is a positive rational number, and we know that clear a positive rational number can never be equal to, can never be same to the this negative rational number, and positive and negative cannot be. Clear, children? Here, see means at the beginning only, clear, we can find out that, see here minus 7 upon 21 is a positive rational number. Sorry, here minus 7 upon 21 is a negative rational number. Is a negative rational number. Whereas 3 upon 9 is a positive rational number. And this implies that, and we know that positive rational number can never be equivalent to negative rational number. This implies that what? This implies minus 7 upon 21 is not equal to 3 upon 9. Okay, children? Here what? See, let us see the things. Minus 7 upon 21 is a negative rational number. Okay, minus is there. Whereas 3 upon 9 is a positive rational number. And we know that positive rational number can never be equivalent to negative rational number. This implies that minus 7 upon 21 is not at all equal to 3 upon 9. Let us see second part, children. What is this? Minus 16 upon 20. Clear? And see 20 upon minus 25. Clear? We have to find out whether they are equivalent or not. So what is the method? So first we have to reduce both the rational numbers to the lowest form. See, lowest form. What is the lowest form? Lowest form or simplest form. A rational number is said to be in the lowest form. Clear? If the SCF of numerator and denominator is 1. Clear? And the denominator is positive. Okay. So this is start solution. Minus 16 upon 20. Clear? Equal to what? We can divide it by a non-zero common denominator. We can divide minus 16 and 20, both numerator and denominator, by a non-zero common divisor, that is, children, minus 16. Look at here, minus 16 divided by 4 upon 20 divided by 4. This is what? Minus 4 4 is 16, that is minus 4 upon 4 5 is 20. Means minus 16 upon 20 is reduced to the simplest form, that is minus 4 upon 5. Similarly 20 upon minus 25. 20 upon minus 25, you can again divide both numerator and denominator by a non-zero common divisor, that is 20 divided by 5 upon minus 25 upon minus 25 divided by minus 25 divided by 5. This is equal to 5 4 is 20, and this is minus 5 5 is 25. Here see children, you see that, see when we converted minus 16 upon 20 and 20 upon minus 25, they are to their original form or the simplest form, that is where then we find that here see that is they both are equal to minus 4 upon 5, and this is also equal to minus 4 upon 5. Either you write, see whether you write 4 upon minus 5 or minus 4 upon 5, both are same. Okay children, this implies that here we see that both the fractions, both the rational numbers are equivalent. This implies that we say that minus 16 upon 20 is equal to 20 upon minus 25. Okay children, so see what did we see? We saw that, see we first reduced the given rational number to the lowest form, clear, and we found by dividing both numerator and denominator by a non-zero common divisor. Okay, now this so this 20 upon minus 25, clear, we divided both numerator and denominator by 5, and this fraction has been reduced to the simplest form, that is minus 4 upon 5, and both are equal. This implies that both the rational numbers are equivalent. Now let us see one more question of the same type, that is here let us take 8 upon minus 5, that is fifth question. 8 upon minus 5, 8 upon minus 5, and another rational number is minus 24 upon 15. Minus 24 upon 15. Let us check whether they are equivalent or not. Clear? See children, that is start solution. 8 upon minus 5. 8 upon minus 5. Here children, we see that here there is no common divisor between 8 and 5, because 8 and 5 both are what? 8 upon 5, 8 upon minus 5 equal to, that is equal to minus 8 upon 5 only. Clear? Because see there is no common divisor, because 8 and 5 both are relatively co-prime numbers. Okay, so relatively co-prime means there is only one, that is 1 is only common factor between two numbers, that is SCF of numerator and denominator is 1. That's why they are known as what? Co-prime numbers. Okay, similarly the second rational number is minus 24 upon 15. Minus 24 upon 15. What is its value? That is this is children here also minus 24 upon 15. Here also children, what? There is no common this one common factor between 24 and 50. Is it there? It is there. That is okay children. So let us find out. There is 3 8 24, and this is 3 5s, that is minus 8 upon 5. Okay children, so here we see that minus 24 upon 15 has been reduced to the same rational number, that was the first one, minus 8 upon 5. Okay children, so don't be in hurry while deciding whether it is co-prime number, both numerator and denominator are co-prime numbers or not. Here see minus 24 upon 15. Clear? They have see you can don't write it directly. This is minus 24 upon 15. Clear? You can write it minus 24 divided by what? Divided by 3 upon, this is 15 divided by 3. Don't cut it like this, otherwise it may be what? Difficult for you. That is divided by 3 equal to 3 8 is 24 minus 8 upon 3 5 is 15. Here we see that, see both the fractions are equal to minus 8 upon 5 minus 8 upon 5. This implies that, see we write that 8 upon minus 5 is equal to minus 24 upon 15. Okay children, why? Because when we reduced both the rational numbers to the simplest form, then we found that both the fractions are equivalent, their values are same. Okay children, see in the same manner, clear, you can find out the solution of the remaining questions. Let us move to question number 7. What is question number 7 about? That is question number 7 states that rewrite the following rational numbers in the simplest form. Rewrite the following rational number. Rewrite the rational numbers the rational numbers in the simplest form, in the simplest, regard as a rational number in the simplest form. See, what is the meaning of simplest form or standard form, children? A rational number is said to be in standard form, clear, if and only if the SCF of both numerator and denominator is 1, clear, and the denominator is positive. Okay, children? So denominator must be positive, clear, while writing a rational number to the simplest form or the standard form. And what another condition is, what that the other condition is this SCF of both numerator and denominator must be equal to 1. Means what is the meaning? It means that there should not be any common factor between numerator and denominator. That is, let us see first part. What is that? First part is question is minus 8 upon 6. Minus 8 upon 6 is the number that has to be written in the simplest form. Start solution, children. How will you write? See, let us find out the non-zero common divisor for 8 and 6. That is minus 8 upon 6 equal to, how will you write? Minus 8 divided by what? 2 upon 6 divided by 2. That is equal to, that is minus 4 upon 2, 3 just 6. This is now minus 4 upon 3, and that is the answer. See, you can check, you can verify whether this is in the simplest form or standard form or not. What is the definition? Clear, you remember it, that a rational number is said to be in standard form or simplest form if the SCF of both numerator and denominator is 1 and denominator is positive. Okay, children, let us see one more question of the same type, that is third question. Let us see third part, that is your minus 44 upon 72. Minus 44 upon 72. Start solution. Here, children, minus 44 upon 72. See, it is not always necessary that at one time only, clear, you can you divide it, clear, that is 44 and 72, clear in one step. See, you can take more than one step also, clear, to divide, clear, by small divisor you can divide it. This minus 44 upon 72, see, that is, see, equal to minus 44 upon 72. Here minus 44, you see, both are even numbers. So minus 44, that is what? That is, you can divide it by 4, and both numerator and denominator by 4. Then what will you get? It is 4 1 ja 4, that is minus 11 will be there. Upon this is what? This is 4 1 ja 4 and 4 8 ja 32. That is, see, when we divide minus 44 by 4, then it is minus 11 upon 72 divided by 4, that is 4 1 ja 4 and 4 8 ja 32. So minus 11 upon 18 is the answer. That is the simplest form, children. Okay, now coming to the next question, that is see, in the same manner, clear, you can solve the remaining questions of question number 7. Now let us see question number 8. What is it about? What is question number 8, children? See the book. Fill in the boxes with the correct symbol out of this question number 8. That is fill in. That is fill in. That is what? Greater than, less than, and equal to. Means comparison is there between two rational numbers. First one I'll tell you, minus 5 upon 7, minus 5 upon 7 and 2 upon 3. Box is there. Means you have to compare the rational numbers and 2 upon 3. Obviously, children, here see, when one rational number is negative and another is positive, then it is obvious that a negative rational number is always less than, because see, all the negative rational numbers are kept on the number line to the left of 0, clear, and the positive numbers are, all the positive numbers are kept to the right side of the 0. So here it is obvious. Why? Because the minus, it is negative and it is positive. So this, obviously, this one will be what? your answer will be what? Minus 5 upon 7, and this box will be filled with less than and 2 upon 3. Why? See here, there is no need to calculate, there is no need to make the denominators equal. That is minus 5 upon 7 and 2 upon 3. This is negative rational number, this is positive rational number, so this is always less than 2 upon 3. Okay children. Now let us see the one more question of the same type, that is see minus 1 upon 3, and this is let us see a fifth question, that is fifth part of this one, that is 1 upon minus 3, 1 upon minus 3, clear, and this is what, and minus 1 upon 4, 1 upon minus 3, and see here you have to solve it, clear, though we can find it, but what is the proper method? 1 upon minus 3 here, see, write down, either you write 1 upon minus 3 or minus 1 upon 3, both are same, clear, and this comma, that is minus 1 upon 4. See what is the LCM of 3 and 4, that is they both are co-prime numbers, so their LCM will be what? LCM of 3 and 4 equal to, that is 12, because they are co-prime numbers, so that is make both the denominators equal to 12, that is minus 1, see, minus 1 multiplied by here 3, 4 is 12, and here also same thing, and this is minus 1 upon 4 into 3 into 3. So that is now equivalent fraction we found, that what this is minus 4 upon 4 4th is 12, and this is minus 3 upon 4th is 12. Now children, see minus 4 upon 12, here both the denominators are same. Okay children, here both the denominators are same. What does it mean? Now let us move to the next part of the board, that is see minus 4 upon 12 and minus 3 upon 12. Here now let us compare. When the denominators are equal, clear, then we have to compare the numerators, clear. So the rational number, when the denominators are equal, then the rational number with greater numerator is greater, and the rational number with the smaller numerator is smaller, clear. Here you can write, here denominators are same, denominators are same, and numerators what? Minus 4 is less than minus 3. Children, here see, if you ignore minus sign, see here, if you ignore minus sign, here 4 is greater than 3, clear. 4 is greater than 3 means 3 is less than 4, clear. But if you put negative sign, that is reversing the order, clear, reversing the order, that is clear, that this implies that minus 4 is less than minus 3. So when we put this one minus sign, then the order is reversed, clear children, or reversing the order, for negative, reversing the order for negative sign. It happens. So minus 4 is less than minus 3. It means that this implies that what? Minus 4 upon 12 is less than minus 3 upon 12. But see, what are the original rational numbers? Minus 4 upon 12 is equivalent to, that is 1 upon minus 3, clear, and this is minus 3 upon 12 is equivalent to minus 1 upon 4. What does it mean? So where did we reach at, clear? So we see that minus 1 upon 3 is less than minus 1 upon 4 in this way. So this is how we have to compare the numbers, clear children. 1 upon minus 3 is less than minus 1 upon 4. Why? See, this is the process how we have to proceed, children. See, 1 upon minus 3 here, first take the LCM. It is just like fraction only. You take the LCM of both the denominators, that is 12, and make both the denominators equal. Here 3 4 is 12, and this is minus 1 into 4, this is minus 4 upon 12, this is minus 3 upon 12, both the denominators are equal. Now here see, while comparing the numerator, we have to be very careful in rational number, that because in fraction see everything is positive, but in rational numbers we have to be very vigilant, otherwise your answer may go wrong. Clear? That is minus 4 upon minus 4 and minus 3. Here denominators are same and numerators 4 is greater than 3 when they are positive. Clear? This implies that minus 4 is less than minus 3. So this is minus 3 is greater. It means that minus 3 upon 12 is greater fraction and minus 4 greater rational number, and minus 4 upon 12 is smaller. Okay. So this is your minus 1 upon 3 is what? Minus 4 upon 12, and this is minus 1 upon 4 is what? This is children, let us see. Minus 1 upon 3 is what? Minus 1 upon 3 and minus 4 upon 12 is that is less than minus 3 upon 12, and 1 upon minus 3. Okay children, this is the answer. So this is how we can solve the questions. Now children, coming to the next question, let us move to the next question, that is question number 9. What is it about? Which is greater in each of the following? Same process has to be followed. Which is greater in each of the following? Let us write down. Which is greater? Question number 9. Which is greater? Which is greater? That is, see, first part, let us see 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 2. See, these two rational numbers are there. Clear? Here both the rational numbers are positive rational numbers. Which is greater? Same process. Clear? See, your solution is 2 upon 3 comma 5 upon 2. Two rational numbers are there. Clear? First, see, we cannot compare it clear properly. Clear? Until and unless their denominators are equal. So what is the process? LCM of 3 and 2 equal to product of 3 and 2. Why product only? Because see, they are co-prime numbers. So 3 2 is 6. Clear? Their LCM is 6. So make both the denominators equal to 6. That is 2 upon 3. That is multiplied by 2. Clear? The same here, 5 upon 2 multiplied by 3. Clear? That is this is also multiplied by 3. This is 2 2 is 4 upon 3 2 is 6. And this 5 3 is 15 upon 2 3 is 6. Clear children? Here you see, now both the denominators are equal. Clear? In such a case, clear, when both the denominators are equal, clear, then now rational number with the greater numerator, with the greater numerator is greater. Okay children? See, when both the denominators are equal, then rational number with the greater numerator is greater, and the rational number with the smaller numerator is smaller. So how will you put the sign here? This implies that see, this implies that what we found, that 4 upon 6 children, 4 upon 6, that is 4 upon 6 is what? Is less than 15 upon 6. Why? See, because this 15 is greater than 1, greater than 4. This implies that what is the ultimate result? That is your 2 upon 3 is less than 5 upon 2. Clear? So this is how we have to proceed. This is the answer children. Now let us take one more question of the same type, that is here. Let us move to the next part, that is, what is this? Minus 3 and 2 upon 7. Minus 3 and 2 upon 7, that is fifth part. That is fifth part of the question. Minus 3 and 2 upon 7. Minus 3 and 2 upon 7, and minus 3 and 4 upon 5. Minus 3 and 4 upon 5 children. Start. See, they are mixed numbers. Okay children, they are mixed numbers. So, see, we cannot do anything until and unless they are converted to an improper form, that is improper form, that is what is minus 3 and 2 upon 7. See here, minus 3 and 2 upon 7, write down the fraction in original form first. Minus 3 and 2 upon 7 and minus 3 and 4 upon 5, that is 7 3 ja. See, how will you see while this making it improper, we have to be very vigilant. Negative rational numbers are there, that is 7 3 ja 21, 21, that is minus 21 and minus 2, that will be what, minus 21 and minus 2, that is minus 23. It is minus 23 upon 7, and this is 5 3 ja 15, 15, and that is what, 5 3 ja 15, 15 and 4, that is 19, minus 19 upon 5. Okay children, now here you see both the fractions are what, sorry, both the rational numbers are the rational numbers with the different denominators, unlike rational numbers. They are unlike rational numbers. So LCM you find out first. LCM of what, 7 and 5 equal to 7 into 5, that is 7 5 is 35. Why 7 into 5? Because they are relatively co-prime numbers. Okay, co-prime numbers means their SCF is 1. So now this implies that make both the denominators equal to 35. This implies that minus 23 upon 7 into 5, clear, into 5, same operation here, minus 19 upon 5 into 7. Okay children, now this implies that, see, this is 7 5 is 35. Now what is this? This is minus 5 3 is 15, 1 is carry over, 5 2 is 10 and 1 11, that is minus 115, and this is what, here multiply by 7, this is, what is this, that is 7 9 is 63, this is 3, 6 is carry over, 7 1 is 7 and 6, that is 13. Okay children, minus 133 upon 5 7 is 35. What is this? Minus 115 upon 35, and this is minus 133 upon 35. Children, now here we said see both the rational numbers are like rational numbers. Like rational numbers means their denominators are same. So in such a situation, clear, we have to compare both numerators. Clear? Here what do we see here? Here minus 115 children. Here 115 is less. What is this? 115 is less than 133. Clear? You know it. But when we put negative sign, that then minus 115 will be greater than minus 133. Why it happens so? Because if you draw the number line, then minus 115 will be closer to 0, clear, than minus 133. That's why it happens like this. Okay children, see, 115 is less than 133. That is very much obvious, clear. But if you put negative sign, clear, with both the numbers, clear, then minus 115 becomes greater than minus 133. Why it happens? Clear? Because minus 115 is closer to the 0 on the number line. That's why it happens. So this implies that, children, what we conclude over here, that is minus 115 upon 35 is greater than minus 133 upon 35. And what are they ultimately? What their original rational number? This implies minus 115 upon 35 is the equivalent fraction of minus 3, equivalent rational number of minus 3 and 2 upon 7, and this is greater than minus 3 and 4 upon 5. So children, this is how we have to proceed. Clear children? Now what is the last question? Write the following rational numbers in ascending order. Same process we have to follow. Ascending order, while writing the ascending order, this rational numbers in ascending order, how will you proceed? First make all the denominators same. Clear? Then you compare the numerator and then you can proceed. Clear children? Let us see one question, that is write in ascending order. That is your sixth question, that is, this is question number 10. Write in ascending order. write in ascending order. Clear? Let us see first part. Here you see there is no problem, this is simple. Minus 3 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5, and this is minus 1 upon 5. Okay children, here there is no problem because this is very simple. How will you solve it? See, this is all the rational numbers are like rational numbers because clear they are their denominators are same. So here we compare the numerator. Here see, ascending order. What is the meaning of ascending order? First smallest number, then greater, and at the last greatest number is put. Okay children, so here we see that minus 3. See children, here all are what? All are like rational numbers, means their denominators are same. This implies, see, minus 3 is the smallest number. This implies that here we can arrange them. Minus 3, here you can write, here minus 3 is the smallest number. Okay children, then minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Why greater? Because minus 2 is closer to 0 on the number line, and at the last what, minus 1 is the greatest over here. Okay children, so see, now you can write, this implies that what? This implies that minus 3 upon 5, that is minus 3 upon 5, minus 3 upon 5 is less than minus 2 upon 5. Clear? And this is less than minus 1 upon 5. What does it mean? These are in ascending order. Are in ascending order. Okay children, see, this is okay. Did you understand? Minus 3 upon 5 means minus 1 upon 5 is the greatest rational number, and minus 3 upon 5 is what? Minus 3 upon 5 is the smallest rational number. Okay children, let us see one more question. Clear? Where the denominators are not equal. That is, what is this? This is see the book. Let us see this this one, your second part. Let us see second part of that this question, that is 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3, that is 1 upon 3, then minus 2 upon 9, and minus 4 upon 3. Clear children? We have to arrange these numbers, clear, in ascending order. Start solution. How will you solve? Let us find out LCM. LCM of 3, 9 and what? 3, 9 and 3. Find out what is the LCM. Here 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3, and this is what? 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. Okay children, so see, how will you this what is the LCM equal to? LCM equal to 3 into 3 equal to 9. LCM is 9. Now what is the next step? Next step is making all the three denominators equal to 19. This implies that 1 upon 3. This implies that 1 upon 3 that is multiply by what? 3 into 3 here, this one, then minus 2 upon 9 multiply by 1, and here minus 4 upon 3 multiply by 3 and multiply by 3. Okay children, this implies that what? This implies this is 3 upon 3 is 9. This is 3 upon 9, and what is this? Minus 2 upon 9, and this is minus 12 upon 9. Okay children, now all the three rational numbers are like rational number. Clear? So here now we compare both all the three numerators. Here we see that, see which is the smallest number. Minus 12 is the smallest number. Clear? Here write down, Here minus 12 is the smallest, because see, this is at the remotest place from 0, that is minus 12 is less than what? Minus 12 is less than what? Minus 2. Minus 2, and minus 2 is less than 3. Okay children, means 3 is the greatest number, because see, obviously this is positive number, and minus 12 is, see, this is what? This is farther than minus 2. Minus 2 is closer to 0. This implies that what? Now children, this implies that minus 12 upon that is minus 12 upon 9, that is, write down, minus 12 upon 9 is less than minus 2 upon 9 is less than 3 upon 9. Okay, ultimately clear, we can write down the original form. Minus 12 upon 9 is what? What is minus 12 upon 9? That is minus 4 upon 3. This implies that minus 4 upon 3 is less than, what is minus 2 upon 9? This is minus 2. Minus 2 upon 9, that is minus 2 upon 9 is the same is, that is minus 2 upon 9. Clear? And the next one is what? This is 1 upon 3 upon 9, means 1 upon 3. Okay children, are in ascending order. Are in ascending order. Okay children, now children, this is, now your video is getting larger, that's why we stop the thing over here only. Clear? Now this also this your sketch pen is what, not working properly, and this is time to this stop it here only. So, and remaining thing we will see in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day children.